fishing area next to the golf course. Shells, not that good. This is more choppy than the beach down there to the left. So the shells get beat up a little more. What? Robert caught an oyster shell. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Thank you. Oh, I can't even get it off his hook. Seriously, that's hilarious. We'll mount that. What Robert caught on Captiva Island. Alright, put that in my... That's very sad. No, catch a Jimmy out, and not me. I'm walking away before... I was too close to him. I threw him off. Anyway, what was I saying? Captiva Island. Fishing. Anyway, this is not really the shelling beach, but I'm here watching him fish, so I'll check out the shells. Marina is right over there to the right, so we will see a lot of boats coming and going. Our hotel room faces the marina. I love it. Sitting on the porch, deck, whatever you call it, balcony, watching the boats come in and dock for the night. It was a lot of fun. A lot of cool boats docking. That itty bitty cockle. That is really small. I just got that one dirty, but that was another cockle. That looks like a shark's tooth, but that's just a piece of the shell. It's possible to find shark's teeth on these beaches, very rare. If you want to find shark's teeth, you need to go down to Minnesota Key or St. Augustine, which we're actually going to go to St. Augustine in November. Because I just want to do a beach comparison so you all can see the difference between our favorite beaches, Captiva, Sanibel, and St. Augustine. St. Augustine is more for collecting shark's teeth. And it's historic. There's a lot of shopping and stuff. See how much more choppy that is? I watched my earlier shelling on the other beach this morning. It's nice and calm. Very, very choppy. That's why the shells are a lot smaller. A couple people fishing. Sometimes you can find good shells in the rocks. You get caught, bigger shells can get caught in the rocks. But it's like snakes and stuff can also get in the rocks, so be very careful when playing around rocks. Catch any more shells, honey? Did you catch any more shells? You got a snag, so there's stuff out there to get snagged on? Oh, she got snagged? He got snagged? I'm surprised there's anything out there. We need to keep it clear for the boat. Oh, that's true. What is that sea life? What is that? What is it? kind of sea worm. Throw it in the water. Look at
Throw
it.
it in the water.
It's some kind of worm.
Yeah, throw it in the water.
All right. What if he doesn't live in the water?
Yeah.
Oops. Sorry, dude, if you don't live in the water. He looked like he was drying up. Alright, shelling and fishing. Our two favorite pastimes. So, definitely not the best shelling beach this particular area, but we're here. Summer has me.